morning. Today I'm in Nong on the way back to Bueng, but we're going to go via a big dam near Khon. Let's go and have a look. Take a look at the big lake. Don't know if it's a good idea me standing here. It's a bloody busy road. Can't help. Let's get out of here before I get run over. Check out this viewpoint at the big lake near Khon. Everyone bips the horn when they go past a place like this for good luck in Thailand. Hey, another one. Check this out, just restaurants everywhere. Nam Pong National Park near Khon. Huge lake. The road's blocked. Come on, get going. Alright, looks like we're going for a walk. Ooh, there we go. Look at that for view. It's not too bad, eh? Found another good spot.
You come only one.
ครับ
โอ้ดีมากเลยบึงกาฬ
อำเภอบึงกาฬ
โอ้เย่ๆจัง
Hello.
มากัน
You think I'd be a lot skinnier doing all this walking all the time? Crikey. Check out this place, it's unreal. Hello. Glasses are fogging up. I forgot to tell you, when I came into the gate, you got to pay a fee to come in. I showed them my Thai ID card, not a license, a Thai ID card, and I got in for Thai price. Good. Some places it will work, not everywhere. How's that, eh? we'll go and have some lunch in Udon at a friend's bar. Just stopped off the Nongkhai train station, got a couple of friends, they're heading back down to Bangkok and then back to Australia. That way.
Not this one, Dad.
They're coming down there. Bye. Okay guys, thanks for coming along today. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, thumbs up, like, and share the video with your friends. And I'll see you in the next one. Catch up, bye.